I'm gonna show you guys how to take the whole bumper apart. I need a kazol right there. Need a bumper stand. All right, this is the fun stuff. This is the fun stuff. So this is just a lot of clips. A lot of the bracketry that goes on the bumper. This is like the skeleton of the bumper. We're just literally just popping these tabs. You know what? I'm gonna leave the wire on there so we know where it goes. I'm gonna take it up from here. There's one piece. I'm assuming these guys will just come off like the old school ones come off. Yep. These guys, you pull them upwards like this. They slide out really easy actually. They're both. Merry Christmas. Same way for the front.
And this one too, John. That's two. Yeah, there we go. Amigo.
Well, these are the lights. There's 4 little tabs.
Now it's chrome.
Now the chrome piece. You gotta be very careful with the chrome here, but I'm assuming this chrome is gonna crack because it's so thin and old. Ooh!
Maybe I push the bottom. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, this come off.
Okay.
Go this way. Yeah, this one. Push too much?
No.
Yeah, okay.
There it goes.
Okay. Okay.
There you go. The chrome then comes off. Shit. So I'm basically giving pressure, holding the chrome down, and undoing these clips.
Now you do.
Chrome pieces off. I've never done this before. This is the first time, and this probably won't be the last time. Okay, so now
The white ones, my way. That? Look white ones.
yeah, it's the white ones.
It's like Chrysler.
It's like Chrysler. Well, Chrysler makes this
It's
shit.
like Chrysler.
Chrysler makes it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That I tell you. I do that Chrysler 200. Looks like same. It's hard to take. Take this that way, that way, this way. No, Johnny, this way. Yeah.
And my ass.
There
There.
you go. One more piece.
One more piece off. Voila.
Voila. Now you wanna take this too?
Yeah, we'll take it all off.
Oh, this?
All this
Look.
had to come off.
There you go.
A little bit of pressure.
This one, this one. There you go.
Hold on, it's just clips. Oh.
Just go slide like inside.
Maybe. Hold on.
Push down, like this down. It's easy. Oh man. Wait, you have to drill this.
Yep, we'll go bring the drill. I know, we'll bring the drill. We're not gonna paint the sensors, so I'm gonna pull the sensors out of the pockets because there's no point to put more material on the sensors. Just know the way it routes. So going back in, we'll have a problem. This is why they charge you so much money to do these cars. If you want it done right, this is what it takes. And it looks like we're gonna have to drill this guy out and this guy out to get it out properly. This thing pretty self-explanatory. It's like a little hook and ladder, like boom, and it just connects to here like that. I'm gonna drill the rivets out. There it goes. Oh, leave that one alone. That one doesn't
okay.
It's not part of. There's one more up here.
You wanna drill?
One more up here. One more up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hot.
Hot, little bit. Perfect. Oh, has some piece there. Yeah. Don't forget this, man.
Do you have a zip tie?
Yeah, I put.
We'll zip tie this on here so we don't lose it, and then we'll rivet it back on when we get the bumper painted.
There we go. Don't forget the wires.
Wires go through inside this hole.
Okay, remember?
Bottom, yeah. Pull it out. Okay. This is the harness. These are the corner pieces, looks like, for the air. There you go. And man,
Yeah? Oh, you don't need this.
yeah, but I don't want to rip the bumper. There you go. One down.
This one is hard, Jenny. Has in the back, see? Little bit.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Has a
in the
little
back, little-
tab in the
yeah.
back.
And now,
There you go.
you wanna take this off too?
No, we're gonna paint all that together.
Voila.
Voila. That's how you take off the front bumper on the C-Class. Very, very interesting way of coming off. Now, we're gonna watch our other video. We're gonna take the rib bumper off this car. Come on back.